Should I be worried? Okay, you're good. I'm right.
Here we go.
Nope. How'd you know that? You see, there's value.
Is this 4 minutes of yoga?
Oh, yeah. That's awesome.
Is back.
Nice.
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, your video, I'm gonna take photos.
Okay.
Pictures of your
Okay.
It's just nice. It looks so light out on your photos like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, it's about its opening as well.
It is. Yeah, it definitely is. That's so crazy.
This time? Oh, it takes they're not perfect.
They should be broadcasting an audio track that we're listening to. Fight. Now that's cool.
There's a whole bunch of people watching. Or great.
Kenny, is that one better than Zeta? Is that Lila?
No, that's pretty great.
Or Heart? Grit, baby.
It's a good video. That's a good video. They're better be jelly. It's an easy person.
Everybody. Boo. Why? Why
Like a
you?
lion. It's a big lion.
Yeah, exactly. They should just put a ram out there and have the.
I told you. Uh-oh. They're both like running away.
Yeah, they have to obey by some NFL rules, I think. But wait, what's that big sign up there? Please. Oh,
Driving on top of it.
is that more appropriate than a lion eating it? And see that Detroit versus everybody sign there at the top? What building is that?
That's the green town.
Oh, why does it look so tall? Oh my gosh, this is like the slowest moving. I think that car put to that hotel.
it's restored. Look, or it's being. Look, they're redoing the book.
Oh, yeah. So like those windows are all broken there?
Nope, no,
Wow.
they're broken.
How cool an apartment would that be though, right at the top? Uh-oh. That airplane's gonna crash right into some drones. Oh no! Oh no! Mayday! Mayday!
Lost.
Jared Goff. That's crazy.
B14. Hopefully, same. That's the same brand. I want to bet money is the same brand. You want to
No, no Laporta?
bet? Oh, it's the same brand.
Come on, Laporta's on my team.
Yep, hold it. That's so good.
It's a very large football, but and it's got some big feet. Those helicopters are just circling.
To make sure everything's good.
No, I'm sure they're viewing it. Look at all of them.
Look
There's
at
so
the
many like,
life flight.
yeah. All right, should I cut this video in half? It's gonna have to go.
It's 7 minutes. We're probably not going to sleep. Probably pretty close to it. This is cool though.
I just like that we've got like.
so late here though, since it's the time zone. It's the most west and it's east of time.
That's what I was trying to explain to you last night was
And it gets bright
because it's
really
so
early.
yeah. So like
So the
the
days are
eastern
longer here.
coast of Maine sun sets rises the earliest and sets the latest. Oh, Ford Field.
How do they make that many? Oh, look at
And
that.
there's Stevie. Yeah.
Is this like alphabet? Oh, they scratched it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not
But now we need to look at Stevie Wonder again.
It's gonna be defend. It's gonna be defend the day.
Say it.
Defend the dead. Yay. Do I look conscious?
Get it? Because there's lions and they live in a den apparently.
We're so high up for being
What are
all
those
over.
two smokestacks over there? The red one, red flashing ones.
It's like the department store connected to the
Yeah, that building.
stadium.
And some
They're doing something. It's better
the penthouse in that one.
Yes.
Jared Goff. Jared Goff. Let's go, Z-Lot. Come on.
Jared Goff.
Jared Goff. Jared Goff. Let's go, Z-Lot.
Nobody has turned toe.
No.
Jared Goff.
We're just all here to
Jared Goff.
get a video of the exact same thing.
Well, you're doing the same thing.
Well, you told me I had to.
You're-
One pride. Even I knew that one coming. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Let's go! Let's go, Lions! What is that? Oh, it's
That's the decibel. Oh.
Yeah!
Woo!
Let's go!
Oh, there's a rogue drone. It's going.
I think that's for the like the. Oh, the skyline looks amazing right now.
Where?
Everything's got their Honolulu blue.
Yeah, skyline.
You see, how does your phone capture that so well? Uh oh. Get
What's it gonna be?
them.
Let
Here.
them. Let them. Come on.
Yeah! Let's go!
Woo! Let's go Lions! Woo! Get them near you.
That's a big line, so I can't read that.
In Hollywood. Okay.
Oh, let them hear you in Hollywood.
Apparently.
It's hard just to read. It's so easy to read on the phone.
Yeah.
Go Lions!
Yeah, Cammy.
Yeah. In Hollywood.
And in Bollywood. Don't let me forget our pizza there.
Oh. Yeah.
I love you very much, but I'm not your bro.
Well, okay, the picture you took earlier, you have
See,
to
look,
focus in on
there's
people.
drone.
I think that's for the Lions video team. Uh oh.
There's another
Oh yeah,
drone.
They are eating it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah! Let's go, Lions!
Woo! Those guys liked it. That was awesome. It's like Aslan.
It's a very attractive lion. It's like a lady lion.
So like Nala
Is this still the
and
same video?
Simba. Yeah, we're gonna have to post this to YouTube.
No Instagram post from here unless you time lapse it.
That's really cool. Kimmy, good job finding the Z lot. This is like the perfect spot to watch this.
Whatever lot that is giving like too high of a view. You're like right in front of it.
Well, it might be kind of cool to be underneath it too, but look at these drones must be like guide markers or something.
This is personal. Country. Yeah!
Kimmy, that would have been you when you were 4.
It's like turn me up, team. Here we go. Let's see where we go. Jared Goff
It's gotta be grand finale pretty soon,
Jared Goff did.
or else my video taking arm is gonna fall off.
See you soon.
Woo!
Let's go Lions!
Let's go Lions! Yeah.
We're not to the Lions game yet, so it's gonna be a lot crazier.
Still not your brother. Well, this is unnecessary.
8:20 p.m. Oh yeah, I think it's over. Colorado's down 21.
NBC. Thank you.
Just gotta let everyone know.
Yeah. Just in case.
Just in case you
It's like, and also, please put the toilet paper roll with the toilet paper
It
over the
takes
top.
more. It's gonna say that.
Of course it is.
It's gonna say more with an exclamation point.
The guru of gambling. Kimmy. Oh wow, it's very soon. Oh, it didn't have an exclamation point though.
So hard to read like
I know, it looks much better on the video.
Post that to YouTube.
One more big lion.
Yeah, that's what they're doing. I can tell.
But they should have made it bloody eating.
Go Lions.
Goo lions.
Let's go!
Let's go Lions! Woo!
Go Lions!
Goo lions.
So many people see the people honking our church.
Oh, it's getting bigger. Bigger.
Let's go!
That's pretty cool.
Indeed.
Oh my gosh.
Your hands.
My arm is so tired. Let's do something amazing.
It's over.
No, if it was over, they would all just disappear. And then Harry Potter would have won the castle. Come on, that was the first like cool drone show we saw.
I think that was the only drone show I've seen.
No, they've done like the Super Bowl ones.
It was? Yeah, but I
And then in places are replacing their fireworks shows with drone shows. Oh, look at the little target drones are going nuts. Target drone, target drone. Information drone over there. Very curious. Uh-oh. It's gonna be something. It's gonna be.
It's just gonna take a grip.
Ooh, see, there's the information zone.
We already
Back
did-
here. Oh,
How is the drone so smart? One of them
worried
is
about
gray.
that drone. It's starting to feel like the beginning of Independence Day.
I think it's over. Yeah, that's how
Yeah.
they started it.
They just all start to.
I'm tight.